Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Brian, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get an extra $200 on the side of your stimulus check, or just $200 in general. Right now, Chase is offering their Freedom cards, both the Freedom Unlimited and just the regular Freedom, both great cards with amazing cashback points. The Freedom Unlimited itself has 1.5 cashback on anything that you spend, and the Freedom has 1% cashback on anything that you spend. The cool thing about the Freedom is that it gives 5% cashback on special categories every quarter of the year. This quarter, the first quarter of 2020, was actually gas. And that's amazing because gas, you put in your car all the time, get 5% cash back. When you put $100 of gas, you get $5 worth of cash back into your rewards points. And the way you get these $200 right now is by signing up and getting one of their cards. If you already have one of their cards, if you already have the Freedom or the Freedom Unlimited, you can get the other one and take advantage of their promotional offer of $200 sign-up bonus and 0% interest for 15 months. That is an insane amount of an offer right there. Chase has always been really good to me. I have 3 credit cards with them, these 2 that I just mentioned and the Reserve, but the Reserve does not have these benefits or this sign-up bonus. Its sign-up bonus is different and you do have to pay a yearly membership to have that one, but these, there is no membership fee every year. It's free. Once again, $200 cash back just for signing up and getting approved, 0% interest for 15 months. You can go out and spend money on these cards already, and I talked about this in my previous video. You can go out and spend it, and then once your stimulus check comes in of $1,200, you can pay back what you paid, what you purchased with this ahead of time. And that is essentially how I was explaining how to get your stimulus check early. But today I really wanted to emphasize on that you can get an extra $200 today. I have a link down in the description. It is an affiliate link, and this video is kind of a promotion for it, but at the same time, it's because I see a lot of people in need, and if you want a quick $200, that's the best way that I know to get some money right now. You do have to spend $500 in the billing cycle, but $500 is a fraction of what a lot of us spend. Especially like me, I live in California. $500, you need to spend more than $500 to live, you know, groceries, gas, you can even use it if you can for your rent. I know you'll easily spend the $500, and why not get the $200 sign-up bonus right away? I would really encourage you to take a look at it. Be careful, they are gonna run your credit score. It is a credit card, remember. If you don't wanna get into debt, just ignore this video. Unfortunately, this sign-up bonus is for getting the credit card. Another way to make $200 is by starting an online hustle, online business, an online gig. Especially right now, if we're in quarantine, it's hard to do anything else other than online business. If you also wanna learn how to start an online business, I have a video right here that explain how to make money online. I'm trying to pump out as many videos as I can right now because a lot of people are trying to make money in a time of need. Today, I just thought I would bring up this option. If it sounds good for you, well, take a look at it. My name is Brian. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative and an option to get an extra $200 today. But yes, do your due diligence and check it out. And then it's totally up to you whether you want to take this offer or not. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.